Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious milanesas. In case you guys want to know how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of beef sirloin steak, 6 eggs, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of plain breadcrumbs, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients, now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by getting a breading station ready. So in one bowl, we're going to mix our flour. And then in another bowl, we're going to mix our breadcrumbs with all of our spices. So just make sure that you mix it well. Okay, at this point, you can try your bread and see if it's salty enough for you. For me, it's perfect, so I'm not going to add any more salt. So now once we have that, now we are ready to get our eggs ready. Okay, so here I have my 6 eggs. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And now we're just going to beat them. Alrighty, so once we have our eggs ready, now we're ready to get our oil ready. Okay, so I'm going to get my frying pan, set it on medium heat, and we're going to fill it halfway with oil. Okay, so while we wait for oil to heat up, we can get our steaks ready. Okay, so now we're ready to coat our steak. So we're going to grab our steak. We're going to put it on the flour first. So just make sure that it's fully coated. Okay, dust it off. Next to the egg. And last to the bread. Make sure that they're fully coated. Okay, so this is what our steak should look like. So now we're just going to set it to the side and repeat the same process to all of our steaks. Alright, so once the milanesas are nice and coated, now we are ready to cook them. Okay, so our oil should be nice and hot, so throw it in. And we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, our milanesa is done. So we're just going to remove it from the oil. Drain as much oil as possible. And now we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our milanesas. Okay, so once we have all of our milanesas nice and cooked, now we are ready for the fun part. So of course you can serve your milanesas with a side of rice and beans. I'm going to be making them in tortas. So I'm going to toast my bread. So I'm just going to butter it. And I love butter in my bread. Just going to open it up. And I'm going to grab some queso panela and let that cook. Okay, so once I have my bread and my queso panela ready, I'm going to grab the bottom piece and spread some beans. Okay, I'm going to add my queso panela on top and grab my milanesa. Okay, now we're ready to finish it up. Okay, so I'm going to spread some avocado on the top piece. And these ones are bien verdes. So just spread it. And of course you can add some mayo. Sprinkle some salt. I'm going to add some lettuce. Some tomatoes, some onion, we're going to add some jalapenos, but I'm going to add some salsa instead. Because we like spicy. And now we're just going to close it. Okay, so now we're just going to cut it in half so it can be easier to eat. Okay, and now we're ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now, like I said, you guys, you can always just serve it with rice and beans and a side of salad, but I just love eating them in tortas. and hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. The milanesa is so flavorful. It's a little crunchy on the outside. It's the best. And of course, you can try it with chicken. Just make sure that it's nice and thin. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious milanesas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.